You're back. I apologize, but let me finish up this one, and I will just say that I did the toes, the chick, and the tulip all the same. I am using art glitter glue, but so I did them all the same as far as let me just get this in there so I can concentrate. Okay, I did beeswax as the base, and then I came back with that outgoing orange. I don't know if I've used this before, but if you don't have outgoing orange, don't go out and get it. Just take your orange and add a little bit of white to it. That would be perfect. But I actually outlined it, I shaded it or whatever in the outgoing orange. And then I applied my little rosy cheeks. The green that I used, I did Vintage Vessel. So these were the colors that I originally used on the hair clips that I did. So that's why I kind of chose those as colors. Let's see, did I do anything? I'm just trying to hurry up because I don't know if I'm going to lose you again, and I just want to make sure. I'm going to splatter, and I might add bows. I don't know. We'll see. This was at the Dollar Tree, so this was just, is this 5/8 ribbon? So I might take a picture or two with some ribbon in it, but just the basic knot. So let's finish this up with splattering. So I'm so sorry because I did a couple polka dots. I don't normally dot, but I did because that's what I did in the original. I didn't mean to lose you, but I lost you and then got you at the tail end, so I apologize. But I'm just going to take a chippy brush, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to get into the white and really get it into the, I had kind of wet it a little bit, I don't like a lot, and then I'm going to just run my thumb across it and do some splattering. I just don't want to lose you again right away. You don't have to do this. This is, I kind of do it on most things now. Okay, then I'm going to go into the Bohemian Black. This is just what I had left on my plate, so hopefully I got enough. And I'm going to come back and splatter. And this probably would have been better to have. I'm going to dip just a little bit, and then I'm going to dip it off, just because it was kind of dried up. And I didn't clean it off. You saw that I didn't clean it off. It just went right in. There we go. I got better splatters. My paint was a little bit dried up. It's hard to keep everything flowing here when I got heaters on and whatnot. So when I did the just dry the, or clean this up quick. Sorry. When I did like the green, I did go back and do some highlights on, so with white flour, I went back and did that, and I did it on the tips of the little green there, and I did it on the orange. I'm just trying to see if I missed anything with you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm doing another little blob of Bohemian Black, and I'm going to do the eyes quick. I'm just taking a little stylus, that Dollar Tree, and I'm going to come in, oh, and I'm going to do his little orange, or his little nose in orange. I'm not going to do it in pink, but you guys do whatever colors. I would love to see what you come up with. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, sorry. And I have no idea when you ended. Okay. And I've got to do the beak. So I just like having these parts as more solid. You could probably do the nose and the beak before splattering. That would have been cute. So now I'm going to get out that outgoing orange because mine is dry. I just used the smallest blob on my plate. Let's see. Let's get out a little teeny brush for this. You guys know I don't like to do little detailed work. This would have been cute with if I would have did it before and splattered. I think I would have liked that a little bit better. So it wasn't so bam. Sorry, I keep checking to see if you're still here. I'm gonna have a little... Oops. Hair fuzz. I'm surprised we haven't heard the little quail. They're down below me. Because it was too cold for them to be outside. I mean, they do pretty good, but I just was feeling like, oh, you poor little things. Someone got them in my garage below me. Would he be cute with a pink nose? Yes, he would be cute with a pink nose. But I kind of like the not traditional what everybody else is doing. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see if I can get them all in the frame before we disconnect. So 6. So, like I said, I'll do a bundle, and then I'll do them each individual, so then if you wanted to purchase them separately, you could. Hope you love them. Thank you.